Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix any kind of Epic online services error or EOS error on your Epic launchers. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply open your this PC, then go to the C drive. Here in the C drive, you need to go to this folder that says program files, then click on Epic Games, then go to Epic Online Services. Now, here you'll see this option that says Epic Services Install Helper. All you need to do is to just simply run this file. Or if it does not help you, I would recommend you to run all these files one by one. Now, what it's gonna do, it will fix the online services error that you are facing, or if your game is unable to start because it has been stuck on the Epic Online Services loading error. You can fix all of that just by clicking on this option or just by running these three exe files on this specific directory folder.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.